Hi friends, this is Gautam Adarsh. Today we are going to see about addition and subtraction of terms. See, terms are of two types, like and unlike. Now here only like terms can be added and subtracted, but unlike terms cannot be added and subtracted. Now let's know how to add and subtract like terms. First of all, addition. Addition means sum, finding the sum of two terms, two like terms. Example, 3x comma 4x. Now we should add these both, so 3x plus 4x. Now let's see, are these both terms like or unlike? Now here the variable is x in the both terms and their powers also 1. So variable and their powers are equal, so these both are like terms. Now first of all, add the numerical coefficients of these both terms. 4 plus 3 is 7 and the variable and its exponent or power is x to the power of 1, so I am writing x to the power of 1. So the answer will be 7x. Then after, 5ab square plus 4ab square. Now first of all, let's see, are these both terms like or unlike? ab square, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 2, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 2. That means these both are like terms. Now add the numerical coefficients of these both terms, 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and the common, that is variable and their exponent in the both cases is ab square, ab square. So right here also ab square. So answer will be 9ab square. In this way we can add like terms. Next, subtraction. Example, let's take 12y minus 5y. Let's see, are these both like terms or unlike terms? See, y and y. Now the variable is same and their powers are 1, so the powers are also same. So these both are like terms. Now first of all, subtract the numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients of both the terms, that is 12 and 5. 12 minus 5 is 7 and the common part in the both terms is y to the power of 1, so y to the power of 1. So answer will be 7y. Then after, how to next, let's take another example. 100 xyz minus 45 xyz. Now here also, here the variables are xyz, here also xyz. Now the powers are xyz, powers of xyz are 1 1 1 here, and here also 1 1 1. So these both, the variables and their exponents are equal, so these both are called as like terms. Now they can be subtracted. So first of all, subtract the numerical coefficients. 100 minus 45, it's 55. Then after, the common part, the common algebraic part of the both terms is xyz. So I am writing xyz at the end of the answer. So answer will be 55 xyz. Okay, in this way we can subtract the like terms. Let's know another important thing, that is standard form. Standard form of an algebraic expression. Now standard form of algebraic expression is nothing but the order in which we write the terms of an algebraic expression according to the decreasing order of their degree. First of all, let's take an example and understand it well. 4y cubed plus 3y squared z plus 4y minus 0. Now let's see here. Here the degree of this will be 3. Now here the degree will be 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the degree of y is 1 here. So the degree of this whole term will be 1 and degree of a constant term is 0. So the degree of 0 will be 0 only. See how to find the degrees of each term we have learnt in the previous videos. Okay. Now here see, when we see this order of these degrees 3 3 1 0, it is in the decreasing order. It is in the decreasing order. So then we will call it as it is in the standard form. Let's take another example. 4y plus 3y square minus 3y cube plus 0. Let's find the degrees of each term. Here the power is 1, so the degree will be 1. Here 2, so the degree will be 2. Now degree of y is 3, so the degree of the term will be 3. Here it is a constant term, so it's 0. Now let's see here. Now when we see the orders are in the what we call as increasing order, but it's wrong. Now in the standard form, the degrees should be in the decreasing order. So first of all, let's keep the term with the highest degree in the first. So minus 3y cube, then after plus 3y square plus 4y and plus 0, no need to write. So this will be the standard form of this algebraic expression. Okay, standard form of algebraic expression is this. This is up to today. Thank you.